In the lead up to first flight today, so many people have touched this. It's kind of humbling to see all the hard work, all the people have put into this to make today happen.
We are just moments away from the first U.S. Navy flight of this game-changing unmanned aircraft.
This one's different because this is the real airplane. This is going to go operational for the U.S. Navy, and this is what will go to war and keep sailors safe.
And Stingray, base schedule on 0 me.
Oh my goodness, this is real. Like, this thing is, it's going to happen. This is something that's going to fly.
5, 4.
This is going to change the game with naval aviation. No other company, no other country has done anything like this ever before. The first autonomous refueler ever.
Stingray 33 base up. Stingray base, they're on track.
This is not the finish line. This is a milestone, and it means that we are one step closer to delivering our commitment to our naval customer.
We're not a program, we're not a contractor, we were a family. Boeing, Navy, Lockheed Martin, all together. Now we have to get her ready to go to the fleet. We have to bring that future en masse into a reality.
We did it.